Dear all, I am Dr. Arpana Salve, dermatologist from Aurangabad, practicing since last 8 years in Aurangabad. On the occasion of World Vitiligo Day, that is on 25th of June, Glenmark Pharmaceutical Limited has launched a patient awareness initiative, that is Embrace Your Inner Self. I take this opportunity to spread the message of truth, encourage and transform. So let me start by talking about the facts of this condition, that is vitiligo. So everybody knows vitiligo is a skin condition in which the pigment producing cells called as melanocytes are destroyed. The exact cause of vitiligo is not known, but everybody knows that it's an autoimmune disorder with underlying genetic predisposition, where sometimes the body destroys its own tissues, perceiving it as a foreign material. And this is called as autoimmune reaction. This is believed to be a cause of melanocyte damage. The inheritance pattern is very complex since vitiligo is a multifactorial disease. On an average, it has been found that 20 to 30% of all vitiligo patients have at least one close relative which is affected by the disease. Importantly, vitiligo is not transferable to any family members or contact. Moreover, all white patches on skin are not always vitiligo. That is a myth. A dermatologist can help in differentiating between other white patches and the vitiligo patches. So better to consult a dermatologist for better understanding and the right treatment options. Now, let me tell you about the treatment options which are available. First of all, the goal of our treatment is to control the spread of the condition and to regenerate the pigmentation in the areas that have lost the same thing. So treatment choice in vitiligo is based on number of the patches, the site of the patches and extent of involvement and absolutely the patient convenience. Also, suppurative camouflage treatment helps to reduce social problems that are very common. So while patient is on corrective therapy, there are various other therapies which are available, like medical line of treatment are there, then other surgical line of therapies, narrowband UVB therapies, skin protection therapies like sunscreen use, and other latest advanced options are also there, that is gene therapy. So, vitiligo is an autoimmune disorder, and therefore, as with my other autoimmune diseases, it cannot be fully cured. That should be clear in your mind. It is only treated and its progress is decreased. So in many cases, preventing the further spread of the disease is the treatment of choice. So vitiligo can be treated effectively if patient consult a dermatologist at very early stage when there are only 1 to 2 patches or small patches are there. Proper line of treatment with regular follow-up can increase the chances of complete pigmentation of the patches. So my final message to the society is that you should not discriminate against the individuals with the vitiligo. You have to understand that it is just a skin condition like a rainbow and not a curse, and is definitely not infectious at all. That it spread due to contact, it's a myth. A person with vitiligo can marry. It's not confirmed, or we can surely say that it can transfer to next generation only. It can transfer to any other or long generations also or not. Your outlook towards the vitiligo affected patient should change, and they have to be a part of our daily life. So I once again thank you, Glenmark Pharmaceutical, for this wonderful initiative and fully support the cause of eradicating social stigma associated with the vitiligo. Thank you.